is Melissa. Welcome back to my channel. We are on day 17 of our Breyer Advent Calendar unboxing. We've been talking about why it's important that we celebrate the coming of Jesus, and we are going to pick up on that story. But first, let's check in with Zoe and see what she's up to today. She is tending to the horses. You know, when you've got a stable, there are always chores to be done and always things to tend to, but she loves it. It really is her passion. It's not work so much when you love it a lot. All right. So over the last couple of days, we've been talking about Moses and how he rescued God's people, the Israelites, because the Egyptians, they were making a lot of choices against the Israelites, a lot of choices that were hurting the Israelites, and God rescued all of his people away from that situation. But what happens when it's our own choices that put us in a bad spot? What does God do then? Well, there's a great story in the Old Testament that talks about just that. Actually, there's many, but we're going to talk about David. Do any of you know David? David is a really fun story in the Bible, and he was born with a whole bunch of brothers, and he was the smallest of all the brothers, and he took care of the family sheep. And all of his brothers were big and strong. And David, he wanted to do big things, but he really just loved playing his music. And he tended sheep, like I said, and he helped his dad as much as he could. David is an important part of the big rescue story of God helping us when we need it, so he can be close to us. That's all I'm going to tell you for today. Tomorrow, we're going to find out a little bit more about David. Right now, let's open our next box, day 17 of our Breyer Advent Calendar. Oh, we haven't got anything quite like this before. A jumping horse that's jumping and on a stand. That's really cool. All right, let's go back and see how Zoe is doing with her horses. Looks like she's still working, lots of chores to do today, and probably playing a little bit too. Rosie likes to help, doesn't she? I don't know how much of a help she actually is, but she does enjoy trying. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe to get your chance to win our beautiful Breyer Hope of the Year horse. Isn't she pretty? We're going to give her away to someone. All you have to do is go to video on day 13, subscribe to my channel, and write subscribe in the comments. And on Christmas Day, we are going to draw a winner for the beautiful Breyer horse. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you again tomorrow.